'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Ziggy, hi! Ziggy, say hi! Ziggy, say hi! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bye-bye! Hold up! So we're going to buy water. Where is the supermarket? What's that? You want to buy? But it is closed. You can't open. Let's go na inside. So, hi guys. We're at the supermarket with Ziggy. Let's go. Oh. Oopsie. Guys, he saw his favorite. Where's the stick of? That's not the one. Why you're opening it? This one? This one? This one? The chocolate? Ah, you don't like naman. This one. Ay, cherry. Oh, wait. Oh, you want that? How much is that? Ah! Oh, show me the camera. Ziggy one. Oh. What's that? Oh, you will bump. Put it there. Let's go. Let's go now. Oh. I'm with Ziggy. Guys, I'm going to UERM.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do.
Hi. Steven. So, susundin ko natin si Iza sa baba and si Briggs ata nandun.
I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Ayan na po sila. Pogi! Hala, Pogi! Ang tagal. Nasa ano po kami? Makati. Tagal. Kuya, keep the change daw, kuya. Ang pogi. I miss you too. Wala, takam mo na. Oh, maliit lang talaga ako. We're going to Jollibee! Galit na siya. Galit ka ba, Nay?
Nung pakialam nyo.
We're going to Jollibee sa McDonald's.
Ano? Bakit Jollibee sa mga?
Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Sige nga. Layo pa, layo pa.
Ano?
Ay, si vlogger naman.
Faster! Jump! Yeah! hi.
Hi. Who's that? Is that
Baka wala yung...
Oh, no, Kelly.
Joy.
Yeah, John. Sorry.
Yan, nag-aanak ka kasi ng maaga. Who's this? Who's that? Nadala po sila sa Jollibee.
Libre ako, guys.
Ay, nilibre po kami ni Briggs. Thank you, Briggs.
Welcome back.
Uy! Jollibee?
Cause I feel so stupid.
Yung maputi? Yok, adili. Ay! Jay! Who's Jay?
Amin tuturo. Trisha. Kasi hindi niya pa nakikita si Trisha, di ba? Follow ko pa.
That's a blanket. What are you saying?
Jen?
Jeje. Jeje ang kapalit.
Jen?
Sa bag mo. Sige, dun mo kinuha kanina
Jay?
yung powder niya.
Jen?
Ay, may vlog pala tayo. Sorry, guys.
Nakita sa vlog. Papansin ka niya.
Ah?
Naalala. Alam mo ba nung nag-makeup ako si Zee? Kinuha niya yung blush. Nag-gulog to siya. Tapos pumunta siya sa salamin. Gano'n na siya.
Oh, no!
Yung hair ko na gano'n.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry.
Kuya. Kuya, break.
Ay! Ano nangyari sa tiyan ko? Nag-vibrate yung tiyan niya, te. Ano ko?
Okay na. Ay, ilalagay ko na sa bag to. Ilalagay ko na sa bag to, ah. Graciela. Where?
Hi guys. Mapuwa daw. Trisha Mapuwa daw. Hi guys. We're going to Annie Cafe. Tapos libre po ni Briggs yung grab namin. Ganda mo naman kayo.
Kasi I believe that the children are our future.
Saan makakaabot ang uniform niya? So, we're here at
Annie Cafe.
ano masasabi mo sa ambience? All in all, for me, the ambience is 10 over 10.
Dahil?
Kasi po, syempre kami na lang nakakita nun. So, we ordered ano nga ito? Matcha latte and Kopi ko brown. Ay, Spanish latte. Spanish latte.
Coffee ko brown.
And then, sweetened and unsweetened. And
Sarap. Dessert.
bet yan. Oo, yan yung mga bets.
Lakbet.
Ay, mali.
Hoy,
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry.
Hi guys! We're going home. Bye!
We'll see this out again.
See you on?
See
you on?
February.
Oh, Trisha, absent ka na naman.
Sa-absent ka naman kayo pa.
Sana makapag-clubbing na po kami.
Yes.
Punta po kami muna sa video kasi wala siyang pambayad ng girl. Ay, mag-grab ka?
Gaga, move it lang.
Ay,
Wala siya pambayad sa 8.
sa?
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never
Hi
gonna
guys,
send to
we're
you,
inside the
saying I'm
children's
sorry.
with blood extraction.
I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely.
Wow. What's this? What's this? Heart. How about this one? Apple. This one? Ooh. Duck. How about this one? Here? What? What? Red? High five, high five. Nagkatin ba siya or hindi? Katin ka na naman. So, we're here at Lloyd's. Siya na naman po kasama ko. Ano sa'yo? Ano try mo na dito? So, we're gonna order it.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of my insecurity. She did it all while leaving me in the dark.
So, kami na naman po magsasabi.
So hard to be with you, till I found a danger. Maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause
We're going to Pop Mart. Titingin lang, promise. May pila talaga doon. May pila.
Oo. Ayun.
Appointment? Hi guys, pupunta kami sa Heaven. Sa Heaven pala. We're going to Old Moon. Diyan naglaro si Ziggy nung umuwi si ate. Kasama niya si Papa. We're going to Old Moon, guys. How much dyan? And there is So, dito po kami. Pasarap po. Old Moon Studio. Guys, ang tanga. Di ba na naka-play?
I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take.
Asan sila eh?
Chumba.
Uy! Ay, ano ba?